Hello, I'm Bhavya Rampal, a second year computer science engineering student from Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. I love doing coding and exploring new technologies. Let me show you a quick demo of my project.
In the age of remote working, there is a need for a tool where people can connect easily and have productive meetings. So here comes my Teams clone to the picture, a one-stop destination for meeting, chatting and calling. So let me now just begin my demo. I will click on new chat room button in order to start a new chat room. I will enter my username, click on submit button. And in order to invite my friends to join this chat room, I will copy this room ID. And I have already shared the link of my web app with my friend Jeshiv, so I will only send him the room ID now. So I will click on submit button. Now he will be joining the chat room soon. All the messages that we send during the chat will be saved in the database, so they can also be viewed after the meeting. So let's just wait for him to join the chat room. Oh, my friend Jeshiv has joined this chat room. So let me just send him hello. How are you? So Jeshiv has sent me I am fine message. So let's now click on join meeting button. And you can see before joining the meeting, I can turn off my video if I wish to, and I can also turn off my audio. So I don't want to connect my audio, so I will click on turn off my audio, and I want to switch off my video. I will click on turn off the video button. So you can see by default my video is switched off. Now I will switch on it. Oh, my friend Jeshiv has joined the meeting. Hello Jeshiv. So in the participants you can see two names, Jeshiv and Bhavya. Now I will send him some in-call message. Oh, he has sent me what is the agenda of the meeting. It's a demo session. So now you can see I've sent him message. Now we can leave the meeting. You can see all the messages that we send during the chat are being saved in this chat room with this particular chat room ID. Now I will copy this chat room ID and I will leave the room. So if for future reference, if I again want to see these messages, I will enter this room ID, click on join chat room button, enter my username and click on submit. So you can see all the messages are there in this chat room. So now I will leave the room.
This is the tech stack used in my project. Use of Scrum and Agile methodology in my project. The whole project was built in 4 sprints, where each sprint lasted for about 1 week. Every day in the team's daily stand-up channel, we provided updates which comprised of what we were doing yesterday, what we will be working on today, and any blockers that we are facing. To track our current progress, we made use of Kanban board, which had 3 buckets: proposed, in progress, and completed task. The features that I implemented during the sprint were reviewed by the mentors in the weekly meetings, and we retrospected what went well during the sprint and what else better can be done. So this is how I used Scrum and Agile methodology in my project. Thank you.